In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bullet points in Canva. Whether you're crafting a presentation, designing an infographic, or creating any engaging content, adding bullet points is a simple way to organize information and make it visually appealing. If you've been navigating Canva and wondering how to incorporate this feature, you're in the right place. Let's dive right into the details. First, to begin adding bullet points, you'll want to have your Canva project open and ready. Once you're on the specific page or document where you want to include bullet points, locate the text box you're going to work with. Click directly on the text area. This is an important first step because activating the text box allows you to access all the editing features Canva offers. Next, look toward the top of your Canva interface. You'll see a toolbar with various options such as font styles, sizes, and alignment settings. Within this toolbar is a little icon that might remind you of a list. This is the bullet icon, and it's your key feature for adding bullet points. Click on this icon to activate bullet points in your text box. If you're not immediately seeing this icon, don't worry. The toolbar sometimes condenses options, especially if you're working on a smaller screen. You might need to click on an additional settings button represented by 3 dots to reveal more options, and there you should find the bullet icon. Once you've clicked the bullet icon, you'll see bullets appear before each paragraph or line of text. As you continue typing and press enter, new bullet points will generate automatically. This feature is incredibly useful for listing items, clarifying steps in a process, or emphasizing key points you want to communicate clearly within your design. If you want to customize the bullet points further to align with your design theme, you can explore different font types and sizes, which you can adjust similarly to regular text formatting options in Canva. Another handy tip is that when you're finished, always preview your design. This helps ensure that each bullet point aligns well and maintains the consistency of your overall layout. Remember, utilizing bullet points is not just about aesthetic improvement, it's about improving readability and helping your audience quickly grasp the key elements of your content. So give attention to these small details as they can have a significant impact on your final design. That wraps up today's session on adding bullet points in Canva. Implement these steps the next time you're designing, and you'll be amazed at how such a simple tool can transform your work. Thanks for watching and happy designing.